Hello students, now let us begin with prose 6, which is Who I Am. Before you read, in this lesson we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. So, this lesson speaks about diversity. Okay, it tells that everyone has something special in him or her. Everyone is unique in their own way. In this, you can find 6 different people whose uniqueness has been shared in this lesson. Okay, which is in part 1. So let us see many voices. That means there are different people who are going to explain, who are going to share their uniqueness, their interest. The first one is Radha. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree and I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too. And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So over here, Radha is sharing her likings and daring acts. She said that her choicest thing was to climb trees. Climbing trees gave her a feeling that she was able to rule the world, rule the whole world. Though her mother often advised her not to do so, as it was not good for girls. But one afternoon, all of a sudden, she also climbed along with Radha and both of them enjoyed it by eating raw mangoes. Raw mango means curry, kacha curry. So, together they were eating raw mangoes and enjoyed that moment. Okay, so this was the interest which Radha had in doing. Okay, next is Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So, Nasir shared his feelings and wish to be a seed collector. His family owned cotton fields in the village. His father spent a lot of money buying seeds to grow new plants every year, and he wanted to stop this trend. As his grandfather told him one day that grandfathers in his times, he used to grow new plants from the seeds of their own plants. मतलब कि जो plants already उगे हुए हैं उसी में से seeds निकाल के they used to grow new plants from the own plants. But this was not applicable in the present time. So this was bothering him and he wanted to know, he wanted to learn of the art of seed preservation. He wanted to learn how to preserve seeds so that he or his father need not to go to the market every time and buy new seeds. Here comes Rohit. Next is Rohit. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. I suppose I should go to Konark Temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. So Rohit is fond of traveling. He likes to travel. If his pocket allowed, if he had that much amount of money, he would like to visit the whole world. His love was to see mountains of New Zealand and the Amazon River which is in South America. He wanted to visit the beaches of Lakshadweep and the Konark Temple in Orissa. These were also on his wish list. These were the places which were on his wish list. His choice also included Beijing in China and the pyramids of Egypt. Moreover, he loved nature more than buildings. Okay, his interest was more in visiting natures. He is not that interested in visiting the buildings, as you can see over here. The names the mountain of New Zealand or Konark Temple in Orissa or Beijing in China. But while traveling, he enjoys nature. Okay, now comes Sarabjit. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got good marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show them that I am angry. So over here you can see Sarabjit is full of anger. Okay, he is completely in angry mood. So as the people around him often showed him as if they do not trust him, even when he was telling the truth, even when he spoke the truth. When he told his teacher that he couldn't do his homework because his book was left with his another friend, Ravi, so she thought he was a liar. His parents blamed him for starting a fight, whereas it was started by his younger brother. He was feeling angry for all the distress and was trying to control it. Okay, so their distress angers him and he has to make effort to control his anger. Now, the next person is Dolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So, Dolma is a girl of with high aspirations, means high interests. Her wish was to become a prime minister. As prime minister, she wanted to serve the country and make things better for the people. Her belief was that she had leadership qualities. She had often solved her friends' problems. Teachers showed interest in her abilities. Teachers believed that she was capable of doing things. And when some new thing was to be done in the school, and she was like she wanted to make things good for everyone. She wanted, like, for example, how she wanted to have good hospitals, she wanted to have good roads, she wanted to have good schools. She was wishing that the scientists of India can cure disease, they can invent cures to the diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. These were her wishes. Last is Peter. My favorite day is the second Sunday of the every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So, Peter, he is a family kind of a boy. Okay, is every second Sunday on the month was Peter's love. On this day, his family often went to for an outing wherein they used to watch films. They eat peanuts, they eat ice creams. Okay, they used to do all these things all together. Who along with him went to the to watch film? Grandmother, his parents, his two brothers, and he himself. Okay, so he liked going to watch film together with his family, wherein they completely enjoyed. All this used to refresh everyone's mood, and they felt happy. Now, coming to working with texts, there, which is on page number 73. Answer the following questions. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday. Okay, because why was this? Why Peter's favorite day was Sunday? It was because on this day, his whole family always went to watch cinema. Went to the cinema hall to see a film. Okay. Over here you can see all the reasons, all the answers given over here itself. You have to write this thing in your classwork copy. Okay, working with the text, since there are no word meanings in this, you have to write this in your classwork copy. So Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because the whole family goes to the cinema hall to watch a film. Next, Nasir wants to learn. What he wanted to learn? He wanted to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again instead of spending money every year. Next is third, Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because she wants to make things better for everyone. Okay, so these are the three things. First question which you have to write in your classwork copy. Now come to B. Write true and false against each of the following statements. Peter is an only child. So this is false. He had two more brothers. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. This is false. No, he used to control his anger by looking at his toes. Nasir lives in the city. This is again false. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. This is true, because later on in the afternoon she climbed up the tree along with Radha. Okay. Now next is